Let's talk about how to set blur effects on the background layer. Before we would start working in After Effects, I will create a simple animation using my new character in Cartoon Animator. If you want to skip this step, you can jump 3 minutes in the video. This character will walk in the hot desert, so I'm searching for an appropriate motion in the library. I select the walk set motion and I apply it on the character. The scene will take about 10 seconds, so I have to extend the loop time. The motion needs some adjustments because, as you can see, the head looks quite weird. I need to open the 2D motion editor. This looks much better, but let's change a bit more. Now I will set the face expressions. The face is okay now. Let's check the lookout of the whole body motion. The tail is moving too fast. We have to change its spring bone settings. Let's open the spring editor. I'm playing with the gravity slide a bit. I'm adjusting even the left ear. This angle was quite weird. Now the character looks really sad, and this is what I wanted to achieve. It's time to save the project. Let's write a meaningful file name. Okay, for the After Effects post-production, I will export the scene in transparent video format. Okay, we are ready. Animation is ready, and now we are in After Effects. I'm importing 2 files, the transfer motion file with the GNU, which is walking, and the background picture. The next step is to create a new composition and to drag the imported files. After Effects displays the layers based on their order, so we have to move the GNU to the top of the layer list. The GNU will stay in the same position throughout the entire scene, therefore the background will move from the left to the right. To make the left to right transition of the background, I have to set a start and an end position on the timeline. The animation looks fine, so we can begin to work on the effects. I want to blur only the hills and the stones area of the background. To do it, I have to mask that part of the image. Let's click Ctrl D in order to duplicate the background layer. From the 2 identical layers, I select the upper one and I draw a mask around the area that I want to blur. I use the pen tool to draw the mask shape. When the mask is created, we can start to blur. In case the Effects and Presets panel is not visible, we have to open it. You can find it in the Window menu, or you can click Ctrl 5. Type blur in the search field of the panel, then click on camera lens blur. The default radius is 5. I'm not sure that it will be the optimal choice, so let's check it. I think we need more intensive blur in the background. I change it to 10. It looks better for me, but I still don't like the view. The border of the blurred and the non-blurred area is too sharp for me. The solution is to increase the value of the feather settings. I like it now, I'm gonna leave as it is. So we created the mask, and it looks okay at the start position of the clip, but it doesn't cover the entire screen at the end position. Let's go there and modify the mask. It's okay now. For better look of the clip, we can add blur even to the foreground. I think it's time to rename the layers. The meaningful names will help you to identify them during the work. Let's duplicate the original background by clicking Ctrl D. The Effects and Presets panel is closed for me, so I have to open it. Type blur in the search field and select camera lens blur. The effect is added to the foreground. We are creating a mask for the front layer. Increasing the feather is recommended even in this case, because we don't want to see sharp edges. Let me check the end of the clip. Yes, I have to modify the shape of the mask here. And here is the result. Thank you for watching this video. Please click on the like button and subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Bye bye.